Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we're videoing a mini truck that we recently imported. It is a 1993 Suzuki Carry with 37,600 miles. It is a four-wheel drive, 4-speed with high and low transfer case, and it's $6,200. This mini truck has exceptional power. Don't know why, but it does. So I'll show you that when we take it for our little test drive. So the mini truck's antenna is broken. They only have AM radios. Most people don't buy them for the radio, but you need to know that the antenna is broken. You can buy a radio from Amazon for $24, I think, and it has an integral speaker and works well. The door on this truck looks very good. The tires are excellent. These are Dunlop, kind of an on-road, off-road combination. So that's kind of the best of both worlds. The truck's gotten a little dirty this morning. I actually did a video already and it wasn't recording. So that's why it's a little dirty. The bedside looks great on this truck. Again, the tires, you can see the sun shining, how good the tread is on this tire. And the wheels also look good. They have the original blue factory dot. So whoever had this did keep it indoors. They were very careful with this truck. The paint on the wheels still has a shine. You almost never see that. Here is the bed, and this has a bed mat in it. Underneath, you'll see the bed's intact, no major rust, just signs of use. Little surface rust and dents, but no big deal. It'll work very well for you. Same thing in the back, just signs of regular use. All of our trucks are street legal. We got legislation introduced into the North Carolina House and Senate, helped them write it. Tailgate looks good. And it passed both the House and the Senate. We had to travel a lot. This bedside looks really good too on the passenger side. And testify, and then went before the governor, and the governor actually signed it into law. So now mini trucks are street legal. And we service our mini trucks. We change the oil. This door looks excellent too. We use full synthetic 5W30. We change the oil filter. We change the air filter, which is the most important part on the whole truck for maintenance, is the air filter. A little bit of surface rust here. Again, not gonna affect the performance or integrity of the vehicle. It doesn't leak inside or anything. Front bumper looks good. So yeah, it's very important to keep your air filter changed. Sometimes mini trucks, interestingly, the heater cable can break on the dash selector right there, the mode selector for defrost floor dash. We'll pull the dash and replace the cable because heat is extremely important. The door panel on the driver's side looks perfect. The door panel on the passenger side looks perfect. The seats are perfect. No tears in the seats. So whoever had this took really good care of his truck. You can see here the console looks really good. That looks good. Not sure why. Not the best focus, but everything looks really clean. All right, let's take this for a drive. You always want to make sure you're in two-wheel drive when you get onto the asphalt. So yeah, this has good power, better power. I mean, it's really pretty incredible what kind of power this has. It really likes to fly through the RPMs. And it's solid. feels tight, just runs really well. I said this is my second video. When I did my little U-turn here that I always do at this spot, the tires spun, and typically that's not the case. I mean, a little bit, but this one really spun more than normal. So here we go. I don't know if you heard that, but we didn't exactly put up a plume of burning rubber, but it's just evidence that the truck has more power than normal. And we're in 4th gear, and we're climbing speed very easily up a hill. It's a pretty steep hill. I know it's hard to tell that in 4th gear, and that's a good sign of engine power. So we're already up to 70 kilometers now. All right, well, thanks for watching our video. If you'd like to reach us, you can contact us at mayberryminiTrucks.com and click our contact button on the website. Our email address is sales@mayberryminiTrucks.com, and our telephone number is 336-777-9957. Thanks.